This is Mark, and today I'm going to share how I grew one of my client stores with very little ad spend and with a fun fun contests that people actually love. Very minimal work, very little spend on ads, very high ROAS. As you can see, there's like 50, 60x ROAS. Okay, so first thing to do is to patch up holes in the back end. Okay, there are a lot of holes in the back end where customers slip into cracks. And the first thing we do is to create extensive and effective email flows to catch them wherever they are in the program or in their journey. Why? Because 40% of our revenue is from those flows. That's very important. No, so now the thing is, these flows are not just like one or two emails long. It's really extensive, like 9 or sometimes 12 emails deep. So we really squeeze the sales out of every audience that comes along our way. Next part is the contest. This is the meat and potato, actually, the contest. This is where we build our list. So what we do is we create a contest wherein the prize or prizes are your product. So this makes our audience the people who would like or would love to buy your stuff. Not so we're not using money or credits or whatever. Right? We're using your products. So we attract people who loves your products who would buy your products in the future. The main thing about this contest is we incentivize our audience or our contestants to ask for referrals, all right, or to refer your store or the contest itself. The more referrals and activities they do, the more points they accumulate. The more points they accumulate, the higher chances of winning. Okay? And this goes viral a lot of times. If it doesn't go viral, it gets it gets leads very cheaply. So you can build a list very fast. That's why I only spend around $1,000. And we're good. And we can just recycle those leads over and over again every week. It is a very simple landing page of one of the contests I did. Right. This is just this year. I did several last year. And I spent like a few $100s. Okay, and one contest will get you a couple of thousand leads, right? That actually likes your stuff. Once they're in, then we send a congratulatory email before announcing the winner, and then we announce the winner. Even on those two emails, we get a lot of sales already. And finally, oh yeah, and then as I mentioned, you get high intent leads, a high chance to go viral, and the list building is very fast, very cheap. Okay, a lot of noise for very little ad spend. And finally, we ask the list to buy week after week. So we patch all the holes. We got the list together. They are reading to buy. They won, but they didn't. They did not win. We just send them emails every week. I do this like 3 times a week, and I mix things up so that they don't get bored. But roughly around every month, I get at least 5, 6 thousand, $7,000 of sales just through mails. Okay, and yeah, so this is how it looks like when it's working. And mind you, this is around like 3,000 active subscribers. It's a very small list. Okay, I haven't really expanded to more than that. We're doing good, so maybe I'll scale it in the next few months. But hey, if you are interested in doing this, right, send me a mail or just DM me or comment or yeah, send me a message and let's talk. Let's see how we can grow your Shopify store or store with this method. Thank you and good luck.